it's B here. I'm so sorry, it's been a bit of a long time, but I'm back and I'm with my friend
B.
No, wait 1 second. My name's B and you say your name, okay? You ready? We'll try again. Okay. Hello, I'm B. Welcome to our show, B's Playhouse. And today, I'm with my friend
B.
No! I say my name, which is B, and you say your name, which is
B.
Oh no! Okay.
But my name is B because I start with the letter B.
Okay.
And it's my channel.
Your channel?
Yeah.
But it's B's Playhouse.
I am B.
You're B.
Yes.
Well, I'm B too. So welcome to
B's Playhouse.
We got there in the end. Okay, so today we are in whose garden?
My nan's garden.
Your nan's garden, and we are going to be showing you how to
Make some slime.
Oh, so let's have a look.
So we have a lot of slimes to choose from.
So we have party slime. Shall we get cracking?
Yeah.
So what we need to be able to make our slow today, first of all.
Slime.
Yeah. Oh, what did I say?
You said slow.
Sloam. So what we need to make our slime today is glue,
Food coloring
glitter.
and activator.
Okay, so let's put it all in the bowl.
Next we're going to put the glue in. Got it. Put back on. Next we're going to put the food coloring in. So we're going to put this. Yeah.
Now for the best part.
Put the glitter in.
Ooh, all of it.
Wow, that's a lot of glitter. Next we mix it all up.
Now put the activator in first.
Oh yeah, activator in first. Here's the activator. Put just a little bit in. Pull it.
That's loads.
Let's mix it. Whoa, this is getting so boring. I got it. This is my magic wand. I'm gonna stir it, but with my magic wand. Bibbidi, bobbidi, bip. Wow, this is so awesome. It's mixed up.
So slimy.
Oh.
Oh, that's disgusting. Go on.
Oh, get off. It's so yucky, but it looks so awesome to play with.
It really, really does. So we're going to go and play with this disgusting slime now. Thank you for playing. Thank you for watching. Over and out from B and
B.